Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to see your transaction history in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find a profile option. Press on it. After doing so, you should scroll down a little bit here and under the settings category you will find the third option, which is payments and payouts. Press on it, and here under the hosting category you should select the second option, which is transaction history. And you can see here all the money that you have made in this month and basically all your earnings. Now in this case I have no earnings because I haven't hosted any place basically. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.